Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. Okay, we're going to show you very quickly how to fix the Windows 10 frames per second drop fix for gamers. Many gamers are using the Windows 10 computer and playing games on it, and the games are fluttering, and I'm going to show you how to potentially fix this issue. First thing you're going to do is go to your start menu, type in reg edit, and you're going to select registry editor, right click, run as admin. I suggest creating a backup of your registry before proceeding with this step. Go to file, click export, save it in a convenient location. I recommend on your desktop. Name it whatever you want. Make sure you add a date to your name so you can know when you've done it. So export range is all, and then you're going to click save, and then you'll have your backup before you edit this. Okay, double click and drop down menu next to the current user folder. Expand the folder. Now expand the system folder. Select game config store. Then you're going to get some data on your right. We're looking for game DVR enabled. Double click on that. Delete the 1. Type in 0. Base should be hexadecimal. Press enter or OK. Locate game DMR, DSEB, behavior mode. Double click on that. Delete the 0, type in 2. Keep it on hexadecimal, press OK. Back out of these system folders. Go to the local machine folder and hit the drop down. Go into the software folder, expand it. Look for Microsoft, expand that folder. We're looking for the policy management folder or manager folder. Policy manager, expand that folder. Select default, expand that folder as well. We're looking for application management, expand that folder. We're looking for allow game DVR. We're going to click on that folder. Now on your left hand side of the screen, we're looking for a little thing that says value. Double click on that. Delete the 1. Type in 0, leave it in hexadecimal, press OK. Go ahead and close out the renew registry. And go ahead and reset your computer, and your problem should be solved, hopefully. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.